incidental to chemotherapy, or is it incidental to the treatment of carcinoma?
My lord will notice
Not at
that,
all connected.
my lord will notice that in the claim made by them, it is says it is will notice that at page number 22 onwards,
22.
onwards, that is, I'm reading from the order itself,
Yes.
which extracts. My lord will see 22 at the bottom, 10th line from the bottom, my lord. In August 2014, the petitioner was diagnosed with the critical disease of carcinoma, so and so, termed as cancer. The disease required intense treatment for medical management and
You're
recovery.
reading page 22.
I'm sorry, page 22, my lord. That is in internal page 3 of the order.
Yes.
I'm reading in the middle, my lord. In August 2014,
In August 2000.
the petitioner was diagnosed with the critical disease of carcinoma prostate stage 4, termed as cancer. The disease required intense treatment for medical management and recovery. The petitioner was hospitalized several times for the said treatment at HCG Hospital, so and so, which exclusively provides treatment for cancer patients. As a part of the treatment required for managing the ailment and recovery, the petitioner was advised to undergo 6 cycles of chemotherapy once in 3 weeks till December 2014. In addition to other medications. Accordingly, the petitioner had taken chemotherapy treatment in the aforesaid hospital at so and so. For every incidence of chemotherapy, the petitioner was required to be hospitalized at Bangalore. The petitioner was taking the post-chemotherapy treatment once in 3 months as per the advice of the doctor who is administering treatment to the petitioner. Earlier, he was claiming reimbursement of the bills pertaining to the expenditure incurred by him towards the post-chemotherapy follow-up injections from the erstwhile insurance company, namely United India, through the TPA Vital so and so. And that TPA had reimbursed all the claims without delay and requires and queries for the same treatment. While the status of the case, as explained above, the petitioner was required to continue post-chemotherapy treatment of Zoladex and Xgeva injections and other medicines as per the doctor's advice. Accordingly, on so and so, the petitioner was admitted. So therefore, this is the claims for those injections which are post-chemotherapy treatments.
Post chemotherapy for the in association and incidental to chemotherapy.
My lord, that the policy does not cover those treatments under his daycare procedure.
Unless you are able to show that there is nothing to do with chemotherapy, nothing to do with this treatment.
My lord.
And it is what do you, how can you say this, Mr. Deve? There's nothing you can say for this.
My lord, the position is this, my lord, that the policy, my lord, will notice that insofar as if it is chemotherapy is concerned, and if you're not undergoing hospitalization, even within the 24-hour period, I have taken on the bargain to cover all of the expenses. However, if it is certain procedures which are post the chemotherapy,
your predecessor paid the monies for the very same thing.
Not predecessor, my lord. This is an insurance policy.
You are a successor. You have taken over this business from TPA Vidal.
No, United India, my lord. This is a Bank of Baroda office's policy. It's a group mediclaim policy, which United India was servicing earlier. Thereafter, they have approached us and we have provided the services, my lord. But it's relating to an entirely separate insurance contract. And my TPA also is separate. The TPA is, apart from that,
this is
because United India has its own policy conditions which they have covered.
This is absolutely unfair on part of the insurance company to be doing something like this.
Not
to dissect things and differentiate things in this manner. Is this how the insurance company works?
My submissions would be, I completely concede that yes, there is, they have to undergo treatment. I concede to that aspect, but it is the coverage is strictly as per the terms of the contract. I will not be able to expand the terms of that contract.
We'll deal with your terms of the contract. And we'll also deal with you. How much is the money that you are required to pay? Probably 10 times that would be the cost which will be imposed on this appeal.
The aspect is that even the Lok Adalat has not examined even one aspect of my
we are examining it. You tell. That's why we asked you the simple question: Is Zoladex and Zegva connected with chemotherapy and carcinoma treatment or not?
That is something which material neither of us have had an opportunity to place before the
doctor prescription is the presumption. Unless you rebut that presumption, it is for you to rebut it.
May make the submission then, my lord. Let at least the matter go to the Lok Adalat. If the material is placed and if I have to settle with them, I may settle with them. At least that aspect, because the Lok Adalat doesn't
Dismissing your appeal by imposing exemplary costs.
may make
Because you have
this
not been able
request,
to show us
if it
this.
can be sent back, because I have not had an opportunity to place any material there.
You place it before us, let us consider it.
At least allow me to do that, my lord. I will at least place material to show that this is thing, because otherwise I lose an entire forum of here. Under the, I'm not saying this,
You'll lose much more.
I concede that there are certain aspects which we have to be,
Not like this. You take, whenever the insurance premium is to be taken, whenever insurance policy is to be sold, portability of this one, come to us, we are better. All those things you do in marketing. And then last line you say insurance is subject matter of, not a subject matter of, is a subject matter of solicitation. And is this how you are going to treat a person who is suffering from cancer for his treatment that he is undergoing? Should he look at his treatment or look at you fighting you in courts? This is not the way that insurance company can act. Highly deplorable this is. Sorry to say, but this is shocking. If you are, if it comes under any exemption, yes, you can claim that. But don't treat a person who is suffering from cancer in this way and is in fourth stage. He is undergoing several problems already, and you create one more problem. Your officers need to be more human. Insurance is a business, yes, for you, but for them it is life. And if they don't get that money, they won't get treatment. Is that treatment that, sorry, this is not done.
may then at least let it be, may I suggest this, my lord. If it has to be, it goes there, we can even at least consider settlement or something of that
We are
nature.
not
On a
sending it
time-bound
back
manner.
anywhere, we are dealing with it here.
Allow
You
me to
said conciliation,
place
no offer. Today you are saying this. You show us that it's not connected, we'll deal with it. There's no need for them to be running around to different courts.
may be allowed to at
24
least
matter,
place some, that,
sorry.
at least allow me to place that material, my lord. Otherwise
Place
I
it.
will,
That will permit you.
at least that.
If you are able to place anything on record to say that this is nothing to do with carcinoma or chemotherapy, you will succeed.
My lord.
But if there's nothing that you can place on it, bad luck. Will be not bad luck. It's bad malafide.
Allow me
Counsel for the petitioner seeks for and is granted a week's time to place any material on record to indicate and establish that injection.
after.
Where were you reading? Page number?
My lord, I was reading the page number 27, my lord. I'm sorry, 22.
22.
22, and thereafter the reference to the injections are 23 along the center of the
Injection Zoladex, Zoladex, and Zegva, XGEVA, are not connected or incidental to chemotherapy treatment or treatment for carcinoma. What carcinoma is this?
prostrate. Carcinoma prostrate. my lord.
No, what is the exact word for that?
That
Where's
is the
medical
And the certificate it is there.
page number?
18 of our
Just
written submission.
carcinoma prostrate. If no such material is placed on record, adverse inference would have to be drawn as regard the malafide on part of the insurance company. Released on 24th July at 2:30 p.m.
It'll be Monday because I will not be there. So he's also agreeable.
Monday.
my lord,
He has to place material, that's
I
why.
have to place some material. If
No, no, this is one I can just.
You do a Google search, you will know immediately. We can do it right now and find out.
No, I don't want single.
Since 2014, I am getting this reimbursement, my lord. This is not the first time.
Don't
And
treat
they are
people
now,
like
they are
this.
paying. They have just
I
Supreme
will
Court
seek
judgment
the
they quoted and they are getting
You
this.
still have an option to be fair.
I'll instruct the company regarding this.
Get
May
it.
request for 28th, next month. 27th, I'm
When
traveling.
are you back?
I will not be there for 1 month. I am going elsewhere.
We are not going to, Monday. He's not going, Monday, 2:30. For
Great.
further hearing.
Great.
Bill number 29.
There are two judgments which they have referred. They have already
No,
argued the matter.
Short Passover, my lord.
I-
The council is on her legs.
I really,
No, they have not argued. They wanted to produce some judgment.
they have, though the same Delhi judgment is what they have produced. my lords. Can I just pursue
But
your lordship?
there are
May
more
kindly have a look at the
judgments which-
Delhi.
Let them come, Mr. Paso.
Up to 2:30 minutes, there is some difficulty for me. Otherwise, I would have been before lordships. One special bench. I don't know, my lords, if it collapses.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, 21st at 2:30.
My lord,
Interim order.
Wednesday if possible. Wednesday if possible.
Sorry,
Wednesday if possible. 22nd.
Wednesday, we already have 170 matters.
Let it be on Tuesday, my lords.
Tuesday, my lord,
And
21st.
Wednesday, those, all parole matters are there. 21st, 2:30 p.m.
Tuesday.
Interim.
20.
There's an interim order, my lords. which your
Interim
lords-
order earlier granted.
Great.
And please, my lord.
Serial number 30. Isha Deskia.
Yes, Mr. Watson.
My lord, Ramagram, my lord, is supposed to file their objections, yet to receive instructions.
My lord, to 2023, I made an application for a license for manufacture of a certain type of arm, hand arms. I've done everything which was necessary. Finally, they don't respond. Or RTI, they say, you have not got permission for building. The land is not converted. There is no road access. There is no water connection. My lord, I had, from the Bidadi Group Panchayat, I had taken sanction. Now the,
And arms license for manufacture.
yes,
air
manufacturing arms.
weapons. Yes. We consider their application, that's all.
Everything they have considered, my lord. Finally, the
We've not
reason.
rejected it.
We've rejected it.
Rejected it.
We've rejected is what I'm told, my lord, that we've
No,
rejected
I-
on the ground that the land is not converted and they haven't got proper sanctions.
Have you considered and rejected it? Then
No.
they'll have to challenge the rejection. If you have not considered it, you have to consider it. You can't keep it pending.
My lord, what they do is
For
they just,
reason you have, you give reasons and either allow or reject it.
under the RTI I applied. Now we find out they say it's not converted. It's within the Bidadi town where,
This is a mandamus matter, don't expand it more
no,
than that.
I've done everything possible, my lord.
You consider it and by when will you pass orders? By when? 4 weeks?
4 weeks.
Not 4 weeks, my lord, 2 weeks, already done, my lord. They made, taken a decision.
This is pending from last 1.5 years for a mandamus, Mr. Shivas. Petitioner is before this court seeking for the following leaves. The grievance of the petitioner is that the application which had been filed by the petitioner
2023.
on 3/5/23 for the purpose of a license in Form 7C, Roman 7C, for manufacturing of air weapons has not been considered and orders passed. Though submissions are made as regards the petitioners, the plan sanction not having been obtained by the petitioner and or that conversion of the particular land has not been obtained for non-agriculture purposes, the fact remains that the above petition has been filed seeking for a mandamus to consider the said application. If at all the respondents have any reasons to reject, it would have to form part of the record so as to enable the petitioner to take further proceedings. An application filed in the year 23 could not have been kept pending. Filed on 35/23 could not have been kept pending for last more than 3 years. In that view of the matter, this court passes the following order. Writ petition is allowed. A mandamus is issued directing respondent number 1 to consider the application dated 35/23 at Annexure B and pass necessary orders within a period of 4 weeks from the date of receipt of a copy of this order. It is made clear that this court has not expressed any opinion on the entitlement of the petitioner. The same would have to be considered in accordance with law.
31. Leela P. Devadiga.
I seek time for statement of objection, my lord. My instruction is it comes under eco-sensitive zone. 3 weeks time may
AGS
be
6
granted.
fund is granted 2 weeks time to file statement.
Interim
of
order may be
objection.
extended.
Released on 12th August, interim order earlier granted is extended till next date of hearing.
32,
32, my lord, I require 2 weeks time to file my objections. I am packed.
ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ 2 weeks ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ನೋಡಿ 10ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 17ಕ್ಕೆ
Everybody is busy with sir.
I request for a passover, my lord, I'll make myself. I'll get it.
ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಂಡೇ
ನೀವು ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಕೂಡ.
And AGS
Of
6
refund, so I need, it's a question of refund, my lord.
refund of
They've already paid stamp duty on a possession certificate. Then on a sale deed, my lord, they say that they want some leeway in that because they've already paid it under the.
denoting has to happen.
These-
Denoting has to happen.
Yes, my lord.
It has to be adjusted.
It has to be adjusted, my lord. There's some issue where under 33 and 39, we impose some penalty. That, my lord, then the regional commissioner has passed an order stating that, my lord, that penalty has to be paid. That is what is impugned now by the petitioners. We'll have to just verify
Penalty
whether,
was imposed for what?
my lord, for non-stamping, my lord, of improper stamping of the document.
And AGS 6 fund is granted 2 weeks time finally to file a statement of objection. Released on 12th August. It's made clear that no further adjournment would be granted.
33, N. Krishnamurthy, and connected matter.
Mr. Krishnamurthy.
ಒಂದ್ ಸಲ 12th ಬೇಡ 10th ಒಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವ 12th ಬೇಡ
12th bedwa.
ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರ
13th.
13th ಓಕೆ.
This is between two advocates, you lordship. The advocate.
Though it should have not come before the court, but
Thursday, my lord, may have
If
this matter.
it is advocates and when you are there, you should solve it.
Will solve, no problem.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ
Thursday,
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
my lord, may have.
It can be sorted out. And the second petition
Thursday or Friday, my lord.
is filed to section 35 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ against the advocates, but though there is no ಇದು.
All can be sorted out.
Sort it out.
Please, man.
Both the councils seek fund are granted a week's time to explore the possibility of settlement.
Yes.
Released on ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು?
ಒಂದು 38 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ 38 or 48, my lord, may give. Grant a time. In the meantime, I will fix up a time with my learned friend.
6th August.
ಯಾರೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Because last occasion, the matter had come up before his lordship Justice Magdam. Sir, he said that you pay 4 lakhs rupees and get lost because he has made all attempt, he has invested money up to this court and this thing.
Don't tell us anything, you sort it out.
This we know, particularly after having secured the amount, my lord, after getting the amount, my lord, they are also generously they have to pay because we have invested the lawyer has invested the amount.
Generously have a coffee.
Generously ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ
Have a
generously
coffee and generously decide.
At least invested amount should be given apart from the fee.
You work out what
I
is.
will talk to them, no problem. My leather friend is there, my lord.
ಮಾಡಿ.
I'm
No,
grateful.
Grateful.
Second matter interim order ಇತ್ತು.
Interim order earlier granted is extended till next.
Great.
34,
Yes, Anish.
Also
Appear for the
freezing matters.
freezing matter.
Freezing matter.
Various other authorities
Outside state,
outside.
cyber
To
command.
that extent, my lord, all those can be retained. But to this, my lord, it may be,
Sorry?
It's also in NCRP Mac 96.
my lord, in this matter, it's a central account. There are a lot of other transactions are also there, and the volume of frequency of amount which is been transacted is large. So what I submit to my lordship is that suppose some amount as to that, let that amount be held in the account. This amount may be lien mark and lien.
How much, is it an order of debit freezing or is it a marking of lien?
Marking
Lien.
of the-
It is not reported also.
You know or he knows? Yes.
Not only 96 lakhs, my lord, it is more than 1 crore 20 lakhs. More than that.
Sure, give him the copies of
I've
the
already
orders.
given the copy.
But to this
Also,
extent, it may be,
the matter may be referred to the
Cyber command will do that.
My lord,
Alla,
I've already provided the details, my lord, in this matter.
see, cyber command, there may not be a requirement to refer this matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Because if the amounts are known
Yeah.
and it is a lien only and not a debit freeze, you can restrict the lien to that particular amount and they will go and challenge it wherever that is required.
but in this matter, what happened is, this is not even reported to the learned magistrate. So during the course of investigation, to some suspicion, it has been lien marked. Now, my lords, it has been more than 2 years, my lords. The lien marking.
What is the amount of lien?
9,60,009 rupees.
1 crore 19 lakhs.
As far as this is
9
concerned.
lakhs, 1 crore.
I mean, as far as this is
I have given the
concerned.
lease, my lord.
He was, have you filed it
My
here?
lord, take this matter day after tomorrow, we'll file. Please, sir.
File it here.
Yes.
Whatever the lien you have received, you can mark the lien.
Yes.
But the problem is not the against the ICC bank. But the relief is that, my lords, they had lien marked the account during the course of investigation. Now it has been more than a year and almost 2, my lord, nearing. Now, my lord, this is not been reported to the learned magistrate, nor it is mean, my lord, the lien was not lifted. Either they have to report to the magistrate under 106, or they, my lords, they have to lift it. Either of it has to be done. That is my respectful submission.
Yes. So then it will be, which is the police station? CN.
CN Whitefield.
Then you
I'll
can say.
verify.
Not
We don't
only
need
CN,
to.
Delhi Central Crime, Cyber Police Station, Maharashtra, Nagpur.
But I am
City
not
Nagpur.
seeking relief against ICC bank, my lord. Let them hold that amount. I have no issue.
Against this account.
Who is going to finally implement it is ICICI Bank.
My lord, they have to lift this.
Who is
lien.
going to lift it?
But the state has to issue intimation to the ICC bank.
For only 9 lakhs.
9 lakhs.
The rest of
Remaining,
it-
rest of amount, whatever it is, lien is there, let them hold that amount. I have no objection to that.
Lien can be there for that.
For other rest of the accounts, that the minimum balance should be there. I have no objection to that extent.
So only 9 lakhs is the issue
9 lakh is the issue.
by respond number 2.
Yes, my lord.
Learned counsel for ICICI Bank, respond number 3 submits that respond number 3 has received correspondence and or orders from various police stations across the country to mark a lien on the account of the petitioner to an extent of more than rupees 1 crore.
1 crore 20 lakhs.
1 crore 20 lakhs. He is directed to place the said orders on record. The submission of learned counsel for the petitioner is that the petitioner is only concerned with a sum of rupees 9,60,009 marked as lien on the instructions of respond number 2.
Yes.
His categorical submission is that insofar as the lien marked by any other police authorities, the petitioner is not seeking for any such relief in the present petition. Learned AGA is directed secure instruction, file a statement of objections, and get ready to address arguments in the matter.
I'll just verify, my lord, if there's a compliance under 106(3), my lord, if it's there, it's there. If it isn't there, my lord, we'll
Relist on 6th August.
please.
So we are 230, my lords, in second list, my lords. But interim order earlier granted may be extended.
Same order earlier granted is extended.
45 also, my lord, same, my lords.
When 45 reach.
Yes, my great. my lords.
Serial number 35. Narayanappa N.
Mr. Narayanappa. Enamma idu, what is this?
This is the lien, my lord, with annexure B. It is, the state police has raised the complaint on NCRP portal.
Temporary defreeze.
And the lien has been marked in so far as the amount which has,
Punjab National Bank, Vignesh Shetty.
the lien is there, Punjab.
Is through NCRB.
Same thing, lien mark. See, lien ಇದೆ.
Remove the lien of 46,000. It's only a lien for 46,000. None appears for the petitioner. The counsel for respond number 1, bank submits that he has not received copy of the petitioner. Counsel for the petitioner is directed to furnish 2 sets of the petition along with annexures on counsel for respond number 1, who is directed to secure instruction placed on record any and all orders received by respond number 1 as regards marking of lien of the petitioner's account. Released on 13th August.
36, Parmeshwarappa C.
This is my lords, appearing on behalf of petitioner in this case.
Yes.
436. Not in this petition, we're challenging the interest which have been charged by the bank as commercial.
Challenging the
interest.
Speak in the mic, please.
But we're challenging the interest, my lords. Interest which have been charged as a commercial interest, my lords. In fact, what has happened is that, my lords, in 2016, my lords, we have taken a loan of rupees 1 crore 40 lakh, my lords. When we took the loan, my lords, as per the loan agreement, where the first part has been, there was two parts, my lords. One part will disburse after taking 70 lakhs and second part after not the interest, the amount which have been taken as a loan would disperse in two installments. The first installment is that after purchasing of the site, for purchase of site, and the second installment is that towards construction of the house. We have purchased the site, ultimately we couldn't obtain a sanction plan, because why couldn't we obtain sanction plan is that the consent authority, that is BBMP, has not given a sanction plan stating that the site which have been purchased by us belong to the buffer zone. So now as per the loan agreement, we should construct the house within 36 months, but we couldn't complete it. So we approached.
You've taken disbursal of entire 1.4 crores or only
No,
70
only
lakhs?
70 lakhs.
Only for the purchase.
Then, my lords, we have approached this Honorable High Court, my lords, in writ petition number.
Now the plan has been sanctioned or not sanctioned?
Till now, it is not sanctioned, my lords.
So
But the
you'll not
direction
be, you'll
was
not be
given.
able to build the house.
No, my lords.
It's a housing loan which has sanctioned, my lord. In respect of housing loan, they are entitled, my lord, the special rate of interest, my lord, that less rate of interest. My lord, in the sanction letter, it's a very clearly stated that within so and so period, my lord, they have to take a building sanction plan. They have to.
No, 70 lakhs was for the purchase of the site.
It is purchase.
70 lakhs was for the
construction. It is
construction.
composite loan. I am permitted to file my statement of objection before this honorable court showing this.
Last time illa ante.
Because last time I'll file it. It may be taken on record. My lord, tomorrow itself, my lord, matter may be taken. I'll file my objections. I'm so sorry because I'll place it.
Now you will have to look at it in a different way, because you have only disbursed for the purchase. You are not disbursed for the construction. So construction, though it's a composite loan, they is split into two.
My lord, it's under the definition of housing loan. Housing loan, my lord, in respect of purchase, acquisition, as well as construct.
Don't try to put people in more trouble than they are already.
I understand. There are two
unable
judgments
to
also, my lord.
construct.
In a similar set of facts, my lord, there are two authorities also. I'll place it, my lord, have it tomorrow, day of tomorrow. I'll file on small objections and matter.
Land counsel for respondent seeks for and is granted a week's time to file a statement of objection. Relist on 24th.
Grateful. I apologize.
7, S.V. Girikumar.
The petitioner is a civil contractor. By the virtue of this contractor, he has been awarded 17 projects from KRDL, and the payments have not been done. So I make a representation before the Chief Secretary, stating that KRDL has not made appropriate payments. Annexure D is the proceedings initiated by page 33, please, madam.
Yes.
ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಅಪಾರ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ರಾಜ್ ಇಲಾಖೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು ನಿರ್ದೇಶನ KRDL. There is a series of reference including the Honorable Chief Minister letter dated so and so. Despite that, my lord, page number 34.
Yes.
ಆದುದರಿಂದ ದೂರದಾದರೂ ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ತರುತ್ತಾ ಈ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾನವ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳ ಉಲ್ಲಂಘನೆ ಆಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಈ ಕುರಿತು ತುರ್ತು ಚರ್ಚೆ ತಪ್ಪಿಸುವಲ್ಲಿ KRDL ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಶಿಸ್ತು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತೆ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿ 17 ಕಾಮಗಾರಿ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಲೆಕ್ಕಪತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ಇನ್ನಿತರ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿಸುವಂತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂದಾಯವಾಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಣವನ್ನು KRDL ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಆದೇಶಿಸುವಂತೆ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು ಮನವಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೇರೆಗೆ ಸದರಿ ಪತ್ರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಎಂದು ನಮೂದಿಸಿ ಸೂಚನಾ ಆದೇಶ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾರೆ.
KRDL.
I appear for the KRDL. That's the primary prayer is against the respondent number 1, which is the state.
We'll consider within 4 weeks.
It is more than 1 year, 7 months. Please, my lord. The inquiry has not been concluded.
Annexure D.
Annexure D, please.
D is this correspondent. Where is your representation?
Pardon?
Where is the representation for payment?
My lord, in reference number 1, page 33D, representation dated 24/12/2024 and 30/12/2024. And also I have given a legal notice at annexure F also, my lord, 10/9/2025 at page 37.
You are not sought for relief in respect of that. You are seeking for.
Conclusion of the inquiry, my lord.
You don't want your money.
I want my money, that is
Or
my
you want, because annexure D is only for inquiry.
inquiry.
You want your money or inquiry?
Inquiry along with the assessment of money, my lord.
But you have not asked for any such relief.
Let them conclude the inquiry, my lord. Please.
Because post the inquiry, he'll be, whether he's liable or not to receive will be the criteria.
Petitioner is before this court seeking for the following reliefs. The submission of learned counsel for the petitioner is that the petitioner having been awarded several works by respondent number 2, the payments in relation thereto were not made. And as such, on a complaint being filed by the petitioner, respondent number Chief Secretary in party Madidira, this is
Office of the first respondent.
this is Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Raj Department.
Yes, ma'am.
You have not made them a party.
I will amend it. I will write.
Who is conducting the inquiry?
Panchayat Raj Secretary.
Being of the considered opinion that the state of Karnataka represented by the Principal Secretary, Rural Development and Panchayat Raj Department is required to be brought on record. Said authority is brought on record as respondent number 3. The submission of so and so is 17 works. On a complaint being filed, the third respondent directed an inquiry into the matter on 9/1/25 at annexure D. Despite such a correspondence having been issued nearly 1.5 years ago, no inquiry has been conducted. And it is in that background that the petitioner is before this court seeking for the aforesaid relief. Learned counsel, learned AG submit that the inquiry is in progress and given
2 months.
2 months time would be completed. Placing his submission on record, directing respondent number 3 and or the designated inquiry officer to complete the inquiry within a period of 2 months from today, the petition stands disposed.
Be permitted to carry out
amendment.
Published.
38, Narendra Babu.
My lord. Stay. Council has given no objection to appear along with us. Nothing is before.
You have filed an application for impleading.
Yes, my lord.
Who do you
Because
want
the
to
order passed by the my lord, what happened?
Who do you want to implead?
Lord, I am additional deputy commissioner Kolar. Quote me, my lord.
A 2/26 has been filed for impleading the additional deputy commissioner Kolar. Why do you want to implead him?
Lord, now what happened, my lord? Earlier, my lordships have granted an interim order on 18/11/2025. The third
For
respondent,
the
my lord,
reason that a correspondence has been issued by the impleading applicant. In accepting the said reason, the additional deputy commissioner Kolar is brought on record as respondent number 4 and an AGA accepts notice for respondent number 4. Counsel for the petitioner to carry out necessary amendment and file amended cost title. What is the other IA?
other IAs for seeking stay, my lord. Now, fresh order has been again passed, overcoming the order passed by the my lord in writ petition number 611-6613 of 2025.
Where is that order?
That order, my lord,
The IA is not served to me.
You have served one.
both has been served on them.
Both are having seal.
In this writ petition, my lord,
It's been served, not put up.
annexure
So
AG
where
was
is
stayed.
the order passed, earlier order?
Earlier order, my lord, that is AG, my lords have stayed
Page,
this.
page
Last page, 157.
157. Yes.
This has been stayed.
No, where is the order of this court staying this?
My lord, this
1811.
1811, 2025, in order sheet it is there.
Page
1811, 2020, order sheet is there, my lord.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ತಾವು.
1811. Yes, ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ annexure A of order has attained finality. The principal conservator of forest has passed an order. That he has challenged in filing another writ petition, in writ petition number 11/1992 of and obtained a status quo order. When the status quo order is operating, again he may address a letter to the then chief minister. Now the additional deputy commissioner want to conduct a fresh
You are now
inquiry.
asking for a stay of AH. Where is AH?
I have enclosed in IA.
ಇಲ್ಲ, IAL ಇಲ್ಲ.
IL ಇದೆ sir. IA for stay. I'm sorry,
ನೋಡಿ,
my
ಇಲ್ಲ.
colleague. May I pass on this with the Lord's permission?
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Yeah.
126 for early hearing.
Early hearing ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ stay.
Issue. ಅಲ್ಲ stay ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ typographic my colleague has committed a lord by inadvertent
Document
issue.
is not there on record, Mr. Ekri.
You lordship kindly have it on Monday, my lord. I will. ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Paso.
I may be directed the Milord. I will take back the IA and file an please.
Impleading allow ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು IA ಆಗಿದೆ.
39, Harish Kumar.
Lien was marked. Please, the petitioner account, your lordship.
Within state, outside state.
Your lordship, for respondent numbers 1 to 3. Your lordship,
within
for
state
both.
or
I mean, it is within the state as well as outside the state.
Outside the state also. Sorry, man.
Then go to cyber
A1 to
command.
A4, your lordship. Annexure A1 to A8, your lordship. Kindly see. My lord, kindly defreeze my account and marking the lien, your lordship. Only 31,000 something.
My lord, apart from annexure A1 and A8, there is an intimation by court. Chamnagar Police, Kanpur Nagar, to complete debit freeze of the account.
Debit freeze?
Yes.
By which police station?
Chamanganj Police.
Kanpur.
Debit freeze the account. Apart from annexure A1 to A8.
Debit freeze.
Yes, your
You
lordship.
go to cyber command on Thursday. Let them assist you in this.
Yes, and we are ready to participate investigation, my lord. Different police station in the name ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
I think now num jurisdiction, Kanpur we don't have jurisdiction. You
Yes,
have to
sir.
go to Kanpur.
But we are ready to, under respondent number 2, your lordship, kindly direct.
What do we direct
Yeah.
respond number 2?
That is only a reporting portal, your lordship.
It's only a portal. What will they do?
But entire India, they were sent it, your lordship.
It's only a portal, which only is a postman's job. Whatever is put goes to wherever. That's all.
But we are ready to participate.
They will court Thursday if he appears,
You
my
go
lord,
to
the
the
cyber
cyber
command will
command.
settle the issue.
There is a help desk that they have set up
Yes.
now.
Even it is more effective, my lord, last Thursday,
Yesterday.
Thursday. Conducted, my lord, most of the cases effectively closed.
Effective ಆಗಿದೆ.
In my case, 3 cases have been closed.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
My matters, Kotak Mahindra's 3 matters have been closed.
How many are closed?
The 8 matters, my matters, therefore 3 matters closed.
Very good. You and Vignesh have everything in this set. So,
We went, my lord. If he goes, they will contact that Kanpur police and.
Not take any precipitated steps meanwhile, your lordship.
Sorry?
I'm ready to participate in investigation. my
Yes,
lord.
but we can't pass any orders in this because these are outside state.
Yes, sir.
Within the state, we can ask the AGA to get some instruction. He will make some effort, get it, not outside. Liberty to Cyber Command on 23rd. Get their instruction. They can get to know what is the amount involved. Released on 13th August.
Serial number 40. Archana Murthy.
Appearing for the petition, Your Lordship. This is regarding that heavy vehicles, Your Lordship.
Regarding?
Heavy vehicles, chick pit, sir.
Chick pit.
Lordship, I need to filing a memo along with some photos, Your Lordships, for your reference.
Yes.
Lord, in this, the problem in this area, my lord, unless the BBMP or somebody gives a designated area, I can't, now I've given the odd one scheme, my lord. 9 vehicles, odd one, for the unloading purpose. If I stop completely, my lord, it's a business area.
You can't have trucks going there.
No, I'm
You
not
can have
letting-
smaller vehicles going there for loading, unloading. Not trucks getting into a chick pit. During the daytime, trucks are not allowed entry in the city post 7 a.m. or another.
7 a.m. if I'm not wrong. Morning to evening, the trucks are not helped.
7 a.m. to 8 a.m., 8 p.m. or something, it's not allowed. How is it that at 5 o'clock in the afternoon there's a truck in this place? These are big trucks.
We'll monitor it, my lord. I'll give the instruction.
We have given you enough of time, then we'll have to request one of your officers to come now. You can't be taking time. How many? 4 times we have given you time.
Kindly pass over. I'll seek instruction about
Lordship,
So-
the second and third photo, if you Lordship may see the second and third photo also, Your Lordship.
You've seen that. Pass over.
41. H.C. Shivramu.
For the petitioner, Your Lordship. In this writ petition, we are seeking writ of mandamus to restore authorization in
Restore
favor of the petitioner in terms of Annexure D.
Annexure D page number?
Page number 33, Your Lordship. 32 is the order. Order is on page number 32, last paragraph. And accordingly, communication has been sent to the respondent to restore authorization in Annexure D.
Yes.
My lord, here in 2018 when the order was passed, my lord, it was given, but because of his ill health, he has not opened it for 5 years, my lord. It's
You restored.
because the communication, his communication says that ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯದ ಕಾರಣ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಇದು.
Yes, so thereafter we've given several representations, my lord.
Now what has happened? Have you allotted authorization there to
Paid
somebody
the
else?
amount.
I'll just verify whether it's allotted to somebody else, my lord. From
No, we've actually filed an RTI application, my lord. In that RTI application, we got a reply that it has not been allotted to anyone.
Find out. Let AGA seeks for and is granted 10 days time to verify if an authorization has been issued to anyone else in Kaveri Nagar, Bengaluru for distribution of essential commodities.
My lord, it
How
is
can it
not
be without anybody operating from 2018? 8 years.
just because annexed F, my lord, he only states that I was permitted in 2018, but I couldn't do it. Can I read annexed F, my lord?
Correct, but last 8 years it can't be just like that. Released on 6th August.
Grateful.
42. Manasayas.
Ms. Manasa.
Please, Your Lordship, I appear for respondent number 2.
It's one of those, my lord, energy matters where the energy policy is in challenge. We are
The
awaiting
other-
that. That's still not. I'm told, my lord, still not.
Coordinate bench has reserved the matter.
Resolved the matter, yes. Still not passed.
It is submitted at the
My
coordinate
lords, I
bench was
appear for the
reserved.
petitioner. My lords had heard similar matters as of yesterday. My lords had posted these matters on the 18th of August. In an identical batch, the order was reserved by a coordinate bench. My lords
Released
may
on
have it with
18th,
the other matters on
18th
it.
August. Yes.
Yes,
Serial number 43.
grateful, my lord.
I appear for the petition.
Mr. Srivatsava, yes.
Lord, the petitioner after completion of a bachelor's degree, my Lord.
Mr. Srivatsava. Yes, madam, ready?
Your Lordship. Your Lordship, we have not received the copy of the petition, hard copy, Your Lordship. And KSBC is the answering respondent here, Your Lordship.
You have not
We have
received the,
a hard copy, Your Lordship. We just received an email regarding this on 8th of July.
in the email, did you receive a soft copy?
Yes, Your Lordship. Soft
Then
copy we
that's a
have
copy.
received.
That's enough.
KSBC is the answering respondent here.
KSBC, yes, that we see. Mr. Nataraj. Oh, they have not been issued notice. Shri G. Nataraj is directed to accept notice for respond number 1.
And one
This
hard
is
copy to me.
this game as such. Not necessary, madam. Why waste paper? You are not even the answering respondent.
I'll answer a
Counsel
copy.
for the petitioner to serve 2 sets of the petition along with annexures on Shri G. Nataraj, who is directed to secure instruction, make his submission. Released on 12th August.
Please.
Obliged.
Memo for withdrawal. But I'm appealing for the respondent of the.
Memo
three
for withdrawal.
Copy.
Dismissed as withdrawn.
Withdrawn. Oh. Obliged.
They are scared that you are appearing today.
45.
Yes, Anish.
In this matter, my lords, the charge sheet has been filed. In charge sheet also, it is not it is not reported. The case is also not PF is reported to the land magistrate. My lord, the case registered against the accused, my lord, who had deposited the money and cleared the loan. It is also been stated by this honorable court in criminal petition number 3677 of 2025.
Yes.
I pass over the stay order also.
Same matter, you'll have to find out. Who will leave note, sir? The other one was Muthoot.
Yes,
This is Mannapuram.
This is also not reported.
Same issue 107.
I'll verify.
The charge sheet also filed in this matter, my lords.
Charge sheet is also
Charge sheet is
filed.
filed in still,
Lord,
in charge sheet
this-
also it's not there.
Lord, if your lordship will pass over the matter, I'll get the instructions.
I
and we
have
can
charge sheet
dispose
copy,
of-
I can pass over
we
one
can
set to my
dispose of
friend
this.
also.
45 pass. Get the instruction in the other one also. Which one is that?
I'll get in both.
Which one was that?
34, my lords.
34 also pass.
Could be taken up at 4:30, my lord. by
My lord,
then I'll
34.
Take me some time to
The
I'm concerned only, I'm not seeking any relief against.
Your submission we have recorded. He's only bothered about 9 lakhs.
Yes.
Which you can.
4:30, my lord. If it's possible.
4:30.
Great.
34 pass over. Irli ಅದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಇರ್ಲಿ 1 crore ಅಂತ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್.
46. VF Kumar.
My lords, appearing for the petitioner. My lord, this is a writ of certiorari asking to set aside endorsement by the government department seeking succession certificate to disperse the death and retirement benefits to the petitioner's wife, my lord. My lord, here I am the wife of the deceased government employee.
Yes.
And I am named as the nominee on the gratuity trust, my lord. So I have made the representation to the government departments.
Garbatti. ಇದರ
ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್.
47. Sharath M.
Petitioner was appear for the respondent number 1, my lord. Banking ombudsman, my lord. I request for 10 days time to file my statement of objections in this matter.
Need to file your statement.
Please, my lord.
Because may I make one submission, my lords? Here,
This is the case, my lords, where the petitioner's credit card has been involved in unauthorized and fraudulent transactions which have taken place. My lords, there is an RBI master circular which says that if I report these unauthorized transactions within 3 days, my lords, there is zero liability.
3 days.
3 days, my lords. I have reported it, my lords, but legal bank has not considered it. Now, my lords, given these circumstances, I have challenged the order of the RBI ombudsman. My lords, while things stood thus, my lords, respondent number 2 bank has sent a legal notice to me, my lords. They are threatening me with initiating criminal proceedings for cheating and criminal breach of trust, my lords. I have produced that at annexure.
Criminal proceeding for repayment of credit card.
Please, my lords, that is a legal notice which has been sent by respondent number 2 bank, my lords. That is why, my lords, my interim prayer is let the bank not take.
Yes, my lord, I appear for respondent number 2, my lord. My lord, I just need 2
You want
days
to
time.
initiate criminal proceedings
No, my
for
lord.
credit card dues.
No, my lord, we won't be pressing any charges, my lord. We won't be
Why are you trying to threaten people with criminal proceedings?
My lord, I have asked for instruction from the bank, my lord.
Please
But
get
we won't
instructions.
be
We'll
taking
deal
any.
with that notice
Yes,
unless
my
you
lord.
withdraw it.
We will, my
Let
lord.
them not take any precipitative steps against you or coercive steps against me, my
Annexure?
lords.
What is it?
An-
Have you placed
annexure-
it on record?
Please, annexure B, my lords, at page number 175 of the petition.
175.
Paragraph now, page number 176, my lords, paragraph 6 is where they say that it is evident that the above facts and circumstances along with other accomplices have committed criminal offense of cheating, which is punishable under 318 BNSS and also 314 BNSS, which is criminal breach of trust. And they're also, my lords, threatening that they will report my account to CIBIL.
You, along with other accomplices, have committed criminal offense of cheating.
That is.
Who are the accomplices, madam? Who are the accomplices?
Lord, the allegation.
Misappropriated money of the bank, 314. 316, 318, 61, 2. What kind of a son is this?
Lord, I undertake not to take any precipitative action against
We-
them.
We'll seek for an explanation from you as to how you have issued this for only recovery of credit card dues. Please file an explanation.
Yes.
Just because you have somebody to issue a legal notice doesn't mean that you go on threatening them like this.
Yes. My apologies.
The operation of Annexure BB. Annexure B, what operation we can't. Submission of learned counsel for respondent number 2 is that no coercive actions will be taken in pursuance of Annexure BB is placed on record. Learned counsel for respondent number 1 and 3 seeks fund is granted 10 days time finally to file a statement of objections. Relist on 12th August.
Please, grateful.
Grateful.
God bless you.
Okay. Anila.
A request
Appearing
for
for
a PASO,
petitioners.
not the officers to be present.
Paso.
49. Jawar Babu.
Mr. Jawahar Babu.
Petitioner, Millets, this is a matter where your lordships were pleased to hear the other day. Millets, it's erroneous transfer of fund in an amount of 25 lakhs.
Yes.
Now, Millets, it has to be reversed.
Just a moment, Mr.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
It is not.
Speak in the mic so that he doesn't know that you are making a submission.
My lords, here it is a case wherein, my lords, it is not so that it has been erroneously transferred. I have got instructions, my lords, to say that, my lords, the amount that is transferred to my account was, my lords, supposed to be, my lords, obligated to be paid by one, my lords, Mahalakshmi, who is none other than, my lords, partner of the petitioner, petitioner's proprietor. They have their own, my lords, transactional relationship. My lords, I, my lords, lent a loan of 20 lakhs to one Mahalakshmi. She was supposed to pay back the amount to me, my lords. She, being the partner of my lords, proprietor of the petitioner, she asked him to pay the amount to me, and that is, my lords, with interest. So that amount, my lords, of 25 lakhs was transferred to me by not inadvertence or erroneously, but, my lord, since I was the person who was to be received, to receive the amount.
Place all the documents already.
I'll, my lords, place it on record. Kindly grant, my lords, 3 weeks time. I'll secure the records.
Babu, get the instructions. This is a different story from what your client is saying.
Let's say, yeah.
Also, my lords, if I could point out one, kindly look at, my lords, page number 22 for a moment. I'll point out one.
Proprietary concern.
Page number
Just a moment. 22.
22, my lords, kindly see the mail, my lords, that is there. It was sent by, my lords, my bank account, by my bank, wherein I am having the account, which says that, my lords, as per the RBI settlement copy, the funds have been credited to the correct beneficiary account, as there is no name and account number mismatch at our end.
Account number, name is also there.
Please, my lords. This has been the reply given by the, my lords, the bank that I am having the account. I'd like to place, my lords, the materials on record. Kindly grant, my lords, 3
My lord,
weeks.
in this case, my submission.
The
Honorable Court directed me to debit freeze 25 lakhs. My lord, the money available in the account is only 3,42,907. The rest of the money has been withdrawn by the respondent number. And also, my lord, they have given the complaint to the cyber crime. My lord, thereafter, my lord,
They have not pursued the cyber complaint.
one second. My lord, on 28/4/2026, we received the intimation from the cyber police, Bangalore City. My lord, my lord, the cyber police directed us to remove the unfreeze the account of the respondent number 5. Accordingly, we have acted upon. He himself has admitted in para 4 of the writ petition that he approached the cyber crime and he has given the complaint.
Yeah, no, we are not pursued it.
Investigated, and this is the intimation which we received from the cyber crime, and we acted upon. My lord, after the order of this honorable court, my lord, this honorable court has directed us to freeze the amount to an extent of 25 crores. The money is
25 lakh.
Whatever is there, you
whatever
freeze
is
it
there,
subject to what they say.
yes, my
You place the documents.
Please,
on
my
record.
lord, kindly
Mr.
grant me
Babu,
3
get
weeks.
instructions.
my
Yes,
submission
yes,
will-
minutes, I shall get it. Let the matter be decided in its.
What Mr. Karoshi is saying is borne out by record, then your client is in a little bit of a trouble.
If that is the case, then it has to be dealt with in that fashion. I have no objection to that. But
Lord Counsel for Respondent number 5 submits that there is no erroneous transfer of money as claimed by the petitioner, inasmuch as firstly the name of respondent number 5 as also the account number had been mentioned for the purpose of transfer, and more importantly he submits that, what is that lady's name?
Partner of, my lords,
What is the name?
Mahalakshmi.
That one Miss Mahalakshmi owed around 20 lakh of rupees to respondent number 5, who is a business associate of the petitioner, and it is pursuance thereof under instruction of Ms. Mahalakshmi that the petitioner transferred a sum of rupees 25 lakh being the principal and interest. And as such, he seeks for and is granted 10 days time to place.
3 weeks, my lords. I have secured from Belgavi. The documents
Belgavi is where?
My lord, my submission will-
that's Annexure A. Annexure
2
A
weeks.
may kindly be perused. It's a proprietary concern.
That is why we have said business associate.
Very well. Let's say interim order may kindly be extended.
Yes. Seeks for and is granted 2 weeks time to place all the documents on record. The submission of Sri Francis Xavier, Learned Counsel, appearing to the bank, is that on earlier occasion when the petitioner had approached the cybercrime police, there was a lien marked for an amount of rupees 25,00,000,000, which was subsequently
on 28/4/2020.
directed to be lifted by the cybercrime police via its communication dated 28/4/26, which was acted upon by the bank. This court having directed the debit freezing of a sum of rupees 25 lakhs on 3/6/26, his submission is that in the account of respondent number 5, there's only an amount of rupees
3 lakhs 42,907.
42,907, and as such the lien is being marked only in respect of that amount. Released on 12th August.
Great.
Very great.
Serial number 50 urgent, serial number 51, CM Nagabhushan.
Mr. Uday Kumar. Respond number 3, private party. No? Mr. Uday Kumar.
Private.
Ready?
Well,
Pass
already.
over.
Your Lordship,
Uday Kumar is not there. We'll pass over. Let him come. Pass over.
Serial number 52 Arjun, 53. Ganapati Nayak.
53 minutes. I here for the respondent number 4 in this
The
matter.
Ganapati Nayak.
I need some time to file my objections.
None appears for the petitioner. Counsel for respond number 4 seeks for and is granted 2 weeks time to file a statement of objection. Relist on 12th August.
please. Lordship, if I am not objecting, Your Lordship, 51, Your Lordship may give some other date. 51, Your Lordship may adjourn to some other date.
51, none appears for respond number 3. Relist on 12th August. Interim order
Interim
earlier
order may
granted
kindly
is
be.
extended till next date of hearing. If there is no appearance on part of respond number 3 on that date, matter will be taken up for consideration on the basis of the submission made by the counsel for the petition.
Sorry, my lord, for interest.
Not at all.
54. P. Nagarajan.
May I please, Worship? The petition related to the, without registering any complaint, FIR against this petitioner, this third respondent police keep on interfering with in the civil dispute matter, and the last occasion also directed to file the
All details.
That has been filed, my lord.
Page.
Right, page number 2, 3, and 4, my lord. These are the call details of the constable attached to the third respondent police, my lord. And even representations given before the second respondent, my lord. A police notice has
Just one moment, just one moment. Outgoing, you have called.
incoming,
Not
my lord.
incoming, there's one incoming, outgoing.
They ask him to come
Next
before
one
the
is
police
also
station.
outgoing, you have been calling.
Incoming one call, my lord. They asked to keep on the call.
26/5/26, 12/2, you called.
Again, one video call. And subsequently, my lord, the last please to examine at page number 5.
Allappa, this is what you are calling outgoing antide. Outgoing is from your phone.
He called then disconnected. Again, the petitioner called from his mobile. Again, he called like that. And due to a specific representation given before the superintendent of police, my lord, at page number 5, a police notice has been issued to the petitioner.
Mr. Counsel, be very careful. We are going to direct them to look at and conduct an inquiry on this. Be very careful. Your client can get into trouble. Because your client called at 12:02 p.m. outgoing. Their incoming call is 2:32 p.m. subsequently. And you are saying repeatedly calling. You have produced only 2 records. The first call is from you.
No, my lord, earlier call. On 25 May is to incoming call on my lord. And 26 is outgoing call. Lordship, can examine the mobile, my lord. The client has came with the mobile, my lord, because it is recorded in the mobile.
ನೀವೇ ನೋಡಿ. Repeatedly calling every day ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. There's only one in May that you have produced.
25, 26.
Matter of making allegation has become a fad. So don't make allegation just like that.
Because there is about dates 26 and 25.
Because they have clearly stated that they have not called you. And this record indicates that you have called them.
Because he called and asked them to call back again to come before the police station. That is why he made a call to the police station saying that what is the dispute? Any complaint is pending before the police station, my lord. That is why the police notice has been issued to come before the DYSP because of the allegation against the one police constable attached to the police
We have
station.
recorded their submission that they have never called you. They don't want you to go there. Despite which you persisted. And these records indicate otherwise. Petitioner is before this court seeking for the following reliefs. The submission made by learned AGA that the respondent police have never called the petitioner and are not, and have never insisted on for the petitioner to call on to the police station was placed on record on 24/6/26. In that view of the matter, none of the reliefs sought for do not sustain. We are not making any observation on your calls.
At least to comply the directions issued by this honorable court. If anything they want to call the police, my lord, by the
They
police.
are not called you, you have called them from the, you want us to observe that, then it will be a problem for you.
Oh, that.
We are restraining ourselves from doing it.
Oh,
55, M. Sudhakar Pai.
Beg to appear for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
An information, my lord, under RTI was sought.
So Sharad Gowda.
Last time, my lord, he took time to verify the second appeal.
Passover.
Well, could it be had on Tuesday?
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಜ್ಜನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೀಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
56, Shashank Nagendran.
For the petitioner, my lords, outstation counsel is on online.
Sorry?
Outstation counsel is on VC, my lords.
What's his name?
My lords, I'm hearing for the
Yes,
petitioner, Madam Maitri Palan.
Yes, madam.
My lord, writ petition against illegal withholding of petitioners' dues by the respondent government company recently.
Your voice is cracking, madam. We can't hear you well.
Just a minute.
Outstanding amounts.
Am I audible? My lord, my lord?
Yes, you are audible, but your voice is cracking.
I'll
Yes.
speak a little slower.
Consider.
Now the respondent has reached out to us.
Just a moment, madam.
Date was fixed on 30th of this month, my lords. Sought for instructions. It has been moved before that.
Why did you
move? The thing is, my lords, yesterday we moved this memo, my lords, with regarding there is a settlement talks between the petitioner and the respondent, my lords. Henceforth, we are here to file the memo for the withdrawal of the current writ.
You are filing a memo for withdrawal.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
My lord, the respondent company has orally indicated to us that being a government company, they will not be able to disburse the money to us without an order of withdrawal. That is why it was moved.
We didn't have any instructions, my lord.
Petitioner is before this court seeking for the following relief. A memo signed by the petitioner, representative of the petitioner, and the counsel for the petitioner has been filed, which reads as under. Accepting the said memo, petition is dismissed as withdrawn.
With liberty to approach, my lord.
With liberty to?
Approach once again if failure. Because the respondent being a government company has
These kind of writ petitions are not maintainable. We won't give you liberty.
My lords, the thing is, my lords,
Yes.
they have agreed to settle it off within week, my lords. So if it's not, then liberty may be.
Then file a suit.
My lords, the thing is,
We won't give you liberty, please, to do something which is not permissible. We only try and settle the matter, that's all. Next.
Oblige.
57, Ashwath CM.
Yes, Mr. Ashwath.
Granted permission to initiate section 3 of the Coca Act, my lord. Wherein, my lord.
Who appears?
Request for a passover.
Police matters, yaru.
Sarita Kulkarni and.
Kindly pass over.
One city you are standing, one city is standing.
No.
We are also getting confused. K-Coca authorization they have challenged. So probably this will, SPP will have to appear.
Yes, sir.
And counsel for the petitioner, SPP, is directed to accept notice for the respondents. Counsel for the petitioner to serve 2 sets of the petition along with annexures on the SPP.
Last time it was served, my lord, and they sought time for.
This is a K-Coca matter.
Yes, my lord.
K-Coca will be SPP, not AG. Not regular police matters. Relist on.
Sorry, one submission, 56. They filed it as a joint memo, my lords. I don't have any.
When we are dealing with the matter, why are you interfering in between?
A short date may be given.
Relist on 6th August Yes.
I'm sorry, my lord. 56, my lord, they filed it as a joint memo. I have no instructions to sign the memo.
You have not signed it.
Correct. That's why they.
That is why we observed clearly, signed by counsel for the petitioner and petitioner.
I apologize for interrupting.
58, Sumati, yes.
For the petitioner, my lords, last occasion, your lordships had directed the respondents to file affidavit, my lords. On their say that they will file affidavit, interim order was modified. Now, my lords,
Ms. Shilpa
they have
Shah.
not filed. In fact, they have started construction of the ramp, my lords. Let
Pass over.
alone car.
Pass over, let her come.
59, Mahendran, yes.
My lordship, I filed Vakalatnama today. So.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Respond 1 to 3, my lordship.
Respond number?
1 to 3, my lordship.
1 to 3.
Yes, my lordship. All BBMP, my lordship.
BBMP?
Yes, my lordship.
ಯಾಕೆ AG ಅಂತ? See, so and so
Three of
submit
them
that he has
BBMP
filed
members.
Vakalatnama for respond number 1 to 3. Registry direct print his name as such and delete the name of that AG as that appearing for respond number 1 to 3. Your copy ಕೊಡಿ. Copy ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಬಂದೈತೆ. I received, my lordship.
You received.
Legal cell, I received, my lordship.
So ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
Next week, my lordship.
That is at the request of counsel for respond released on 6th August.
Yes, problem.
60, Somashekara, KH.
Respondent number 1, my lords.
Yes, madam.
My lord, the petitioner may be directed to furnish a copy of the petition with the documents to be.
You have not received copy.
I have not received, my lord. And for the respondent number 1.
Sorry, but in this matter,
Memorize senior counsel.
sorry,
Serve it on.
And literally, my second respondent is also an applicant, and the notice has been deferred to second respondent. My lord, he made an application as if the land in question is converted. They said the fact, my lord, it is contrary to the fact, my lord, it is not a converted land. Lakshmi, kindly see page 92, my lord. I was owning the land. I was the only person who was owning the land in the location. Page 92, my lord. This is a lease deed.
You come under category 1.
Category 1. Suppose, my lord, Lakshmi, kindly see, my lord, page 92. This is the lease date which has been produced by the second respondent. All that part and parcel of converted land measuring so and so. Now, Lakshmi, kindly come to page 101. The Tahsildar has given an endorsement to the effect that it is not, there is no records to show, my lord, it is a converted land. Subsequently, my lord, now the application of the second respondent is rejected for conversion. So therefore, my lord, he could not have been considered under group 1.
38-1, 39-1.
Last page, my lord. ಸೋಮನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹೋಬಳಿ ಉಪ್ಪಕುಂಟಹಳ್ಳಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಎಣಿಸೋ ಜಮೀನು ರಾಜಸ್ವ ನಿಧಿ ವರದಿಯಂತೆ ದರಖಾಸ್ತನ್ನು ಮಂಜೂರಾತಿ ಜಮೀನಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಪೂರ್ವನುಮತಿ ಪಡೆದಿರುವುದಲ್ಲ, PTS ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಗೆ ಒಳಪಡುತ್ತದೆ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ವಿರಗೊಳಿಸಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ.
In view of the submission, in view of the document produced along with the memo dated 17/7/26 filed today, taking into consideration the document produced along with memo, which indicates that the application for conversion filed by respondent number 2 has been rejected. The further proceedings in pursuance of annexure A is stayed till the next date.
I need some time to seek instructions.
We are giving you the
On the stay itself, my lords.
issue notice to respond number 2, returnable by 24th August. Counsel for the petitioner to furnish 2 sets of the petition along with annexures on counsel for respond number 1
Please, my lords.
by end of day 23rd July. Process fee and copies to be furnished by end of day 20th July, failing which entry order. Yes.
61,
Lordship, and for respond number 2 and 4, my lordship. We haven't received the copy of PPT.
We have served the copy. Please. We'll serve it. It is a mandamus to direct the representation at annexure G, my lords.
What is your E?
My lords, annexure E.
What is your representation?
Please, my lord. Annexure E is the representation which has given to the.
Ian, what is your representation?
My lords, to consider the representation not to interfere with the peaceful possession of the property, my lords. Kindly peruse the annexure A, my lords.
How can you give a representation for that?
My lords, that is the alternative prayer. The main prayer is to represent a consideration, my lord.
What is the annexure E representation? Not to interfere with you.
My lords, it is the alternative prayer in which the proceedings, annexure A is the proceedings where third respondent had considered that the land to the scheduled property has not been acquired by the MUDA. My lords, at annexure A, page number 13, the internal proceedings which was conducted by the third respondent,
Is in that manner.
it has
you are
been
right.
clearly stated that the land was not acquired by the.
You not received the copy. Give them a
We
copy.
will serve it, my lord.
Counsel for the petitioner undertakes to furnish 2 sets of the petition along with annexures on counsel for who is appearing now. Yarappa appear ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? H.M. Muralidhara. On Shri H.M. Muralidhara, who is appeared for respond number 2 and 4.
2 and 4.
Relist on counsel for respond number 2 and 4 as also counsel for respond number 3 are directed to secure instruction to make a submission as to whether the land of the petitioner has been acquired, and if not acquired, on what basis they are seeking to interfere with the position of the petitioner.
Please, the date may be fixed.
Relist on 6th August.
Please, my lord.
Yes, Tahir.
62.
Amendment order, Lordship. But before that, getting into the main prayer, Lordship, there was some correction in the prayer. I filed amendment application for correction, Lord. That
amendment application. Idea?
Amendment. Amendment is already filed, Lordship. This amendment.
When did you file it?
We already filed last occasion.
When did you file?
The day for yesterday. 13th, Lordship.
Pass over.
63. Surambhat.
Surambhat.
Yesterday, my lord, matter is posted today because by oversight, my lord, my colleague has not served the copy to the government advocate. Yesterday itself, we have served. My lord, this is an appealable order, but we have also filed an appeal before the appellate authority. My lord, but since there is no sitting, my lord, I have sought for a stay of the order because
you have served a copy now.
Yesterday itself, we have served.
There's no copy. Not so.
My lord, we have served.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಡಿಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡೋಕೆ
ಎರಡು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ immediately 2:30 we have served the copy and my lord, it was put up in the main file also in the original ಇದೆ
ಇಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡಿ ಕಾಪಿ.
Only my limited prayer, my lord, till the disposal of the appeal, since there is no sitting, my lord, whenever we
respondent is we had asked you for SIR not.
Yes, there is no sitting, my lord, in the appellate authority.
Get instruction, pass over. They are saying the commissioner will not sit for 1 month because of SIR.
Indefinite, my lord.
Indefinite.
Even appeal is also
Definitely
number.
Mr.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ನು 1 ತಿಂಗಳು ಬರೋಲ್ಲ 2 ತಿಂಗಳು ಬರೋಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ
ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ
ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವರ್ಕರ್.
ಪಾಸು.
Serial number 64 adjourn. Hearing on IS serial number 65.
ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕಾಪಿಯಾ?
65.
65, my lord, 65.1, I'm the petitioner. Both these matters. Second one.
What is this IA 1 for direction? Who is
That is filed by me, my lord. In the petition filed by my
What direction
friend.
are you seeking for?
My lord, in this, the application that has been filed by me seeks for a direction to the government to pay compensation. What has happened in both these matters, my lord? 2 persons died while doing manual scavenging in a sewage treatment plant in a private establishment. That the Honorable Supreme Court.
What is the direction that you are
The direction that I have sought for in that matter was asking for the government to make that payment of compensation. In 815, I had filed it. Subsequent.
The writ petition is pending. So
Please. So therefore, my lord, subsequently, I actually filed this petition.
We can't grant this at the interlocutory stage.
May I make submission?
Please, my lord, that's the reason I've actually filed a writ petition subsequently.
Subsequent.
Subsequently, that is 65.1.
A 1 of 25 will be considered along with the main. So pleadings are complete in all the matters?
Today,
Therefore,
my lords, I file an objection in the second matter.
You're filing.
65.1 now.
You're filing now.
Please, my lord.
65.1, that counsel for respond number 6
Please, my lord.
has filed a statement of objection. The same is taken on record. Copy thereof has been furnished to the counsel for the petitioner. When will you get ready?
But my only request is for any short date because in 2024 December they passed away.
Anytime.
12th August.
Serial number 66. Nagarapna SK.
LRs of defendant number 1.
Which decree has been challenged, my lord, before the local.
IA 1 of 26 for bringing LRs of defendant number 1.
For first response,
First respondent.
first lesson, second response.
ಜೊತೆಗೆ issue ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ notice. Issue notice on IA 1 of 26 as also on the respondents. Returnable by 24th August.
67. Yes, Ramamurthy.
Compromise is going on. Posted there. Compromise.
Discussion is going on. IA 1 of 26 will be taken up along with the main
It may be posted after 2 weeks.
on
It may be posted after 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks. Counsel for the petitioner submit that settlement talks are going on. Is request for the matter to be posted after 2 weeks. Relist on 17th August.
68. P. Sheshagiri Rao.
For petitioners, my lords, statement of objections has been filed.
For the impleading
kindly-
application.
Yes, ma'am. Kindly have it on next week, my lords, Monday.
1 day filing objection, 1 day argument.
They served the copy today, my lord.
Kindly pass over, my lords, at least senior would be.
Pass over.
Much okay.
69 IA 1 of 25 is allowed. Modification of the interim order dated 27/5. ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು 27/5? IA 3 of 25 has been filed seeking for modification of the interim order dated 27/5/25, which has been passed by a coordinate bench. Registry is directed to place the matter before the said coordinate bench for consideration. Yes, Mr. Srinivasmurthy, it will have to go before the same bench.
My lords,
Modification by another of the order of the.
my submission to lordship is that they are going to invade again, once again on Sunday. I don't want modification now. Amendment and commission appointment. Because yesterday also the same thing happened when we approached. Commissioner is appointed. that
What is this amendment you are seeking for?
Amendment is subsequent events, my lords. What they have done after the interim order was granted.
Serial number 69, kindly pass over.
Will pass over. Amendment is what?
Para 14.1.
Where is your amendment application? IA 3 for modification. IA 4. IA 2.
I have produced one annexure, my lord, page number 26, annexure R. If that is seen, that is, my lords, everything will be.
Restore the land. So you're not in possession.
I am in possession. What they have done, they have removed certain plants. Kindly see the annexure R, my lords. Annexure R. There is an interim order against survey number 4, measuring 6 acres 5 guntas. They admit that I am the owner. Page number 22 of the annexure A. This is the entire portion, my lords. Annexure R is my plants, green color. This is also 4 acres. Also, coffee plants are there. Now they have removed in the middle as well as in the border. They have removed. This is the survey sketch I have obtained immediately after this interference.
This is a private survey.
Yes, private. And I kindly see the photographs, my lords. This is what coffee plants. Yes, ma'am.
Pass over.
Yes.
Serial number 70. colon B, party person.
Reshma.
110.
Where is Ms. Reshma? Paso, let her come.
71. Sarvana, yes.
Appearing for the R3, my lord. Please, I wait for time to file objections, my lord.
Objections to the main. What is this impleading application? Who has filed this? Mr. Sarvana?
Sarvana is the plaintiff.
Yes. Who is? Devi Prasad Shetty has filed it. Paso?
72.
Hearing for respondent.
Yes.
My lords, pursuant to the search, we have
Where is the petitioner?
My lord, I'm appearing for
Mr.
the
Timothy
petitioner.
Charles.
My lord, I'm.
Yes.
Can I get a date next week, my lord?
petition is not maintainable.
My lord, I'll argue on that. Next Thursday or Friday, lordship may please place it.
The judgment may be taken on record.
Declaring the search and seizure conducted is illegal now.
We'll make it good. We'll argue on that, my lord. Next week, lordship may take it.
Yes, we will argue. The counsel for the petitioner seeks for and is granted a short accommodation. Released on 12th August.
Grateful.
73, my lords. IA for direction, my lords, already I considered and an order is passed on 21/5.
Counsel for the petitioner submit that IA 1 of 26 has already been considered and disposed of on.
Not disposed of, my lords. Order came to be passed on 21/5.
It has been considered on 21/5 and as such no further consideration of IA 1 of 26 is required.
Now, my lords, notice
Readings
will
are
have
complete?
not yet. Notices are not ordered, my lords.
Notices are not ordered.
Not ordered.
AGA for 1 to 6 ಅಂತಿದೆ.
1 to 6 ಮಾತ್ರ. Respondents ಬಾಕಿ ಉಳಿದವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Sorry.
8 to 31 are there, my lords. My lords, this my lords may kindly recollect, my lords, pursuant to my lords mass burial allegations made against my lords Dharmasala. Lords, some of the media channels, my lords, without any basis, my lords, they started to make use of my lords photographs of my lords family members of Dharmasala Virendra Igdes. And then my lords made accusation, one ದಿವಸಕ್ಕಾದರೂ ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೋದು ಇದೇ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅಂತ. My lords, civil suits are pending. We have approached this honorable court. This honorable court directed the police to take action. In spite of that, my lords, they have continuously, my lords.
What is the relief you are
Now I have sought for mandamus, my lords. Kindly see page 60, my lords.
To delete block, respond number 10 to 31. Circulating any news. Issue notice to respond number
7 to 31, my lords.
7 to 31.
Yes.
Returnable by 24th August.
Unfortunately, my lords, now yesterday I am told they have filed final report. Against, my lords, the persons who are, my lords, instrumental in bringing in this mass burial issue. They are the persons who, my lords, made hue and cry in the, my lords, social media as well as
Alleger, against the alleger.
Against the persons who made the allegations, my lords, they are the conspirators now.
Yes. Next.
74.
My lord, suspension of JJB board membership.
Yes, my lords.
Yes, madam.
The order was passed by government without any jurisdiction, my lord. Suspension of my JJB order, my lord.
230. Paso. Like Tamil. 73 interim order idea. 73 interim order is extended
My
next.
lordship, there is urgency, my lordship. The deputy commissioner has cancelled my cash validity certificate, my lordship. In that, my lordship, immediately they ordered for revealed from my work, my lordship. Kindly taken up 230, my lordship.
You can't mention at 130 for 230. Really, Monday.
My lordship, there is urgency. End of the list, my lordship. Under reveal order.
From 67. From 60.
First second list, ಆಮೇಲೆ first.
From 67, ma'am. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಏನಾಯ್ತು Our council.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂತಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ಅದೇ.
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
Father's death, my lords. My senior is not in station, my lords.
It is submitted that the arguing counsel is not available today. Yavattu?
Lords, after Monday, Tuesday, any day, my lords.
We list on 7th July, August,
God bless.
Saturday, Friday. Interim order earlier granted is extended till next week.
Serial number 2, Kirti Krishna Reddy on connected matter.
AG sir will be appearing through VC, your lords.
Through VC na?
I will be appearing, your lords.
Ural Ilva, AG.
ಇಲ್ಲ sir. He's in Delhi, your lords.
Who is going to start? ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ? ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ. This let us start. Who is going to start for the petitioners? ನಿಮ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. Ms. Kirti Krishna Reddy.
And the respondents had claimed certain issues. The connected matters are not listed.
Only 4 matters are listed today.
Your lordship, it was divided based on issues. Issue 1 is 4 matters. The first 4 matters.
This is the first.
This is the first issue, your lordship.
We'll list that another day. This can be completed. At least one issue can be completed. Where is Kirti Krishna Reddy? You're appearing on a ready? Paso.
Serial number 3, Vignesh Shetty.
Honored, in this matter, there is application. The lordship is equal. The lordship
One more week they want.
No, now it is all, it's become infructuous because NCLT itself adjourned the case to 4th of August. So then Begagela.
IA3 for extension not pressed.
Today, in fact, what had happened? Wanted to pass an order. I immediately one before the NCLT. NCLT is not taken up my matter. That is the reason that I came before the summit. I stated that today matter is there. But today matter before the NCLT matter came up in the morning. And they adjourned the matter to matter.
It's taken up.
4th of August. So
It is taken up. Learned counsel for the petitioner submit that he does not press IA3 of 26 since the matter has been taken up by the NCLAT. Facing his submission.
The NCLT itself adjourned it. So his concern was that the NCLT will hurry
It
them
will
up.
proceed the matter. It no longer survives. The matter came up before the NCLT today, my lord. NCLT had adjourned the matter to 4th of August.
Not the NCLAT.
No, my lord. That
Learned counsel for the petition submit that he does not press IA3 of 26. IA3 of 26 dismissed as not pressed.
Great.
Serial number 4, Dilip Kumar Gowda.
Learned counsel for the petitioner has filed IA 2 of 26 to implead the state of Karnataka represented by the.
It has to be by the DPR, my lords. Because the
Yesterday-
allocation of business is on the DPR. It will be. They can just change it, my lords, with that.
Represented by the principal secretary.
DPR.
DPR. Principal secretary na ACS.
No, my lords, it's a
ACS or
principal secretary.
Principal secretary DPR. Accepting the reasons stated in the said application, IA 2 of 26 is allowed. So and so is brought on record as respond number 3. That AG accepts notice for respond number 3. Yes. Make your
Lords,
submission.
formally, we are filing objections to his IA for additional grounds. Just formally, my lords.
Formally, yes. But argue the matter today and close it. Yes.
Lords, take note of the matter.
The first argument we are not written. Second argument you will have to say what is the aid and advice of the council.
On the second argument.
Yes.
But second argument is not yet pleaded, my lords. It is just as an additional ground, is not even sought for amendment. Is He's not even sought for amendment. He's
What
just
is the
said
application you filed, Mr.
application for
Arun
just to raise an additional ground.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. Additional ground. There's a ground that is raised, not as an amendment, but as an additional ground.
Additional ground. That's all.
So we'll have to explain this.
Please, notes. Insofar as that ground, the preliminary objection is this: if the since we had made an objection with regard to the state being a party, state is now made a party. Notes, it's the state notes which has to say whether there was an aid and advice. That is the first.
You are the
thing.
state.
Please, notes.
You are the state.
No, notes. I'm appealing for the Public Service Commission. State is today given notice. They have to serve copies on the.
But the additional advocate general is appearing for the state.
I'm appealing for the Public Service Commission in this. So notice has to go to the. Today they will take notice and then they have to take instructions and come back on that. Because if anybody can object, it is the state which has to object that there was no aid and advice. Because all the judgments regarding aid and advice, qua the governor's power, arise, my lords, when there is when the state says without my aid and advice, the governor has exercised powers.
Where is the AGA? Everybody is one missing.
Already several copies. Petition as well as IA copy.
He just took note.
Yes, Shamant. State of Karnataka represented by DPR. Okay, you've been served. What is your response? Is there aid and advice?
Should we pass over the note so that? Pass over.
But can it be on Monday? Because in Karnataka, I'll get stuck in fourth court, part third matter. Illondu second court is special bench.
No, they have to get, my lords, instructions they have to obtain from the DPR. It may be taken up on Monday.
Take it on Monday.
It's not oral instruction. We'll have to get it in writing.
Please.
We won't go by oral instruction in this matter.
It's on the aid and
Have to
advice.
file it in writing and place things on record. And AGA seeks for a day's time to obtain instruction and place necessary documentation on record as regard the additional ground which has been sought for by the petitioner in IA 1 of 26, released on 20th at 2:30 p.m.
Please.
Respondents are at liberty to file the statement of objections
Please.
by that date.
That's coming day to day.
Iದೇನು objections ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ.
It's only purely a.
We are deciding on merit only now.
I filed it.
Formally we'll file it.
We are hearing you on merits of the matter. After we pass this order, there is nothing else to be passed in this.
ನಾನಂತೂ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
Extensive arguments have been had. Yes.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಫೈನಲ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ You have argued for final. Yes.
Good.
Serial number 5, V. Shailaja, 13%.
My lord, your lordship said directed.
For the respondent number 1, my lords.
You carry it out. Yes, the CCTV.
My lord, last date we had made a submission that the CCTV footage is not available because there was no electricity. Lordship had then directed us to file an affidavit today. I'm, my lord, trying to get the ACP, my lord, on video conference. Not able to connect with her. Can I request for a passover? Let me just attempt it, please.
Serial number 6,
For the petitioner in this case.
Mr. Madhusudan Rao?
Niman's matter, my lord, they have filed the report.
Where is Mr. Rao? They filed it?
Filed the report on 15 July 2020. Page number 3 is the report.
What is prayer C? Why are you asking for prayer C? That cannot be given in this. Prayer B can be granted. D is also fine.
My lord, regarding prayer C, the access policy information is with regard to the policy that we have with the respond number 8.
Thing for village office, panchayat, etc. That is for real estate removed property. That cannot be granted. D covers your bank, insurance, everything.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And E is also fine. Petitioner, wife of Mr. Bronson John, is before this court seeking for the following leaves. What about 7 and 8?
Lord, we have taken steps for them, my lord. It's await notice. Singapore and UAE.
They don't have a branch here in Bangalore in
No,
India?
my lord.
We'll have to
Don't
wait
have
for
any.
the service then.
Lord, I have implemented them as Bronson is maintaining
We have
maintaining
to
bank
direct
accounts.
them to permit you to operate. So unless they are here, we can't direct them.
My lord, I'll serve them through email, my lord. Then.
Through email, they are outside the country. Are you sure they don't have any offices in India?
No, my lord.
Zurich International Life Limited, you checked?
Yes, my lord, I have checked.
Citibank might be having a
Citibank, Citibank is represented here. Suresh B is appearing
My
for
lord, I
R6.
tried to serve it on him. He said
Emirates
it's
NBD and Zurich International are not here.
Citibank doesn't have branches in India, my lord. That's what I was told by the council, that is Suresh B, and he refused to accept notice.
It is submitted that Mr. Suresh B does not appear for respond number 6. And the registry is directed to delete his name as that appearing for respond number 6. Issue emergent notice to respond number 6, 7 and 8. Returnable by 17th August. Registry is directed to place on record.
Lord, may I make submission? In the last date of hearing 3/7, my lord, your lordships had ordered notice through email to respond number 6. I have given the details, the email ID to the registry. My
You
lord.
give
I
7
think
and 8 also.
Well, 7 has an office. in India, in
It
Mumbai,
has?
BKC.
Find out, Mr. Council, otherwise this will get delayed. They need the money immediately.
Please, my lord.
Do a little research, find out if they have any office, if it can be
I'll receive
served
details and
by
take
hand
it.
summons or so and so.
Hand summons may be issued, my lord. If they have,
Hand summons we'll have to issue to the American address today as on date. So if you give us a address here, you can amend the petition, put in the address, bring that address on record, and then we can issue hand summons.
please, my lord. Very well.
By when will you do that?
Monday,
An issue notice better. Suresh be delete aste. A report has been filed by the Nimans. The same is taken on record. Counsel for the petitioner seeks for and is granted 2 days time to place on record the Indian addresses of respond number 6, 7 and 8, if so available, as also to indicate if any counsel appears, if there are any standing counsel for respond number 6, 7 and 8. Relist on 20th at 2:30 p.m.
Point number 9 is concerned.
Not required. Since respond number 9 has already filed the report, the presence of counsel for respond number 9 is excused in the future.
kindly have it on 21st, my lord.
21st.
Great.
Passed over matters. List number 1, serial number 14, Rohan, yes.
Mr. Rohan, pass over.
Serial number 20, P. Lakshmikant Rao.
Miller's Annex A, page 11, please, Millets, is the externment order passed by the second respondent, which has been challenged.
Yes.
Annex A, page 11. Let's, the order doesn't find any ingredients of section 55.
You've been heard, you have a statutory appeal. you
Yes,
have to go
Millets,
for
I have
appeal.
given written objections to the Deputy Commissioner saying
You have to
that-
go on appeal now.
No, let's hear. The order passed does not speak anything about
That the appellate remedy has to decide, not in a writ petition. You have a statutory remedy, please go there. If the national justice was violated, we interfere.
that has been violated. Plus, that's because he has been already sent to.
Yes, sir, you will have to go on appeal. Why are you before this court? You are in the wrong forum.
No, that's the basic ingredients, please. Basic ingredients.
That is to be decided on merits.
Yes.
Only if national justice is violated, we exercise our powers.
Without any basis, without any thing.
And AG accepts notice for
merely
respond
on the
number
ground, please. Let's.
1 to 5. Petitioner is before this court seeking for the following leaves. What is challenged is an order passed under section 55 AB of the Karnataka Police Act 1960. The petitioner, having filed his objection, was heard in the matter. In that view of the matter, there is no violation of the principles of national justice requiring this court to exercise its extraordinary powers in Article 226 and 227 of the Constitution, when the petitioner has a statutory appellate remedy in terms of section 59 of the Karnataka Police Act. Reserving liberty to avail such appellate remedy, the petition stands disposed. The appellate authority shall consider the appeal filed by the petitioner without reference to limitation.
Serial number 34.
Yes, Shamant,
34, I need to receive instructions.
need to receive.
Unipuram. Second matter. Then we note
34 ಹೇಳಿ 45 ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು will take.
34 ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
When do you want it?
Monday we wrote
34. The request to learn AGA relist on 22nd July.
8 minutes. Other matter also, my lord.
45 also.
45 no. 45 I have instructions.
Then we'll come.
Sorry.
Serial number 38.
Mr. Jagdish.
My lord, AH, my lord. Annexure AH, my lord.
Annexure A.
Can it be taken on the last week of July, my lord? A declared one will be attending.
No, but once AG is stayed, how can you issue AH again for the same thing? We'll stay this. You argue the matter on merits. Don't be doing these kind of things.
Kindly have it in the letter.
We'll have it. You argue matter, but we'll stay AH. It's a virtually same thing. Annexure AG having been stayed. During the pendency of the matter, Annexure AH has been issued. It is in that background that IA 1 of 26 has been filed. A perusal of Annexure AH indicates that it's also been issued on the same premise as that as Annexure AG. In that view of the matter, Annexure AH is stayed till the next date of hearing. You have not filed your statement of objections as it.
Will fill.
Released on 12th
Your
August.
connected matter is on 27th, my lord.
Released on 27 July. Give us a number.
Yes, ma'am. Publishing.
Serial number 40, Archana Murthy, on connected matter.
Appearing to the petitioner, Your Lordship.
My lord, this was the temporary, as per the temporary arrangement, my lord, between the owners and the lorry owners in that road, where petitioner's son also had participated, my lord. It was agreed that odd and even 9 vehicles can enter the road. My lord, his son, I'm passing over the.
You are not concerned about his son cannot give you an authority to do illegal work.
No, my lord. His son represented the shop, my lord. He is the one of the shop
Maybe
owner.
whoever is represented, this is the question of those trucks cannot come into that area.
My lord, it was the agreement between the.
No agreement, Your
owners there,
Lordships.
my lord.
So people will agree for everything and you'll say yes to it.
It's a temporary arrangement which was made, my lord, on 16/6/25. That, my lord, I'll make one submission, my lord. It was the 2003, my lord, where the trucks were permitted to enter because of it's a business area, business hub, and there is no chance for road extension or the parking in the nearby areas. Then it was modified in 2023, my lord. Earlier, 20 vehicles, lorries were permitted in that road. Then, since there was a complaint from the shop owners, a meeting was called, my lord, of the shop owners and the lorry owners, where it was agreed 9 vehicles can be
It was a temporary solution for the problem.
nine lorries can come enter the road, and from evening 3 to 9, 9 lorries can enter, odd even basis, my lord, and 10 feet gap should be given. So that was the arrangement made, my lord, because there is no other option. Because
Under what authority did you make this so-called arrangement? When for the entire city, no trucks can enter. So by making this arrangement, a truck is entering the city and also here. On what basis do you do these things?
because there is no other parking option area, my lord, in that area.
That is so for the entire city, so you'll allow the trucks to come in. For a truck to reach this place, it has to come through the entire city.
Because
Lordships, can I make 2 submissions, Your Lordships?
Yes.
The respondent number 4, any grievance made before him, it has not been considered. The actions are very lenient.
Because it's a business district. Yes.
And
Submitted. A lot of businesses happen.
And off the record, may I submit anything, Your Lordships?
No need of any off the record.
My lord, or else now we have to find the amicable this thing, my lord, because once we stop the lorry, the entire that business will be shut down in that area.
They can get those smaller trucks.
Yes.
The smaller
Tempos.
What do you call
Tempos.
those? Tata Ace and
Connected matter is filed by the lorry owners, 40.1.
There's been no representation all the time, Your Lordships. Connected matter.
They have filed for this thing, connected matter.
They
I have
wanted
not submitted
the-
a copy, my lord.
why are you supporting them so much? Why is your officer supporting them so much?
No, my lord, because
there's some arrangement between them and the lorry owners, Your
not
Lordships.
the question of the arrangement, because some shops, my lord, which deals with the loads and all, The old shops,
It does not inspire any confidence at all. We'll direct the commissioner to cause an inquiry into this.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is not the way that you can function. 40.1, none has been appearing for the petitioner, hence the petition is dismissed.
After the
For
petition,
non-prosecution. 40. Petitioner is before this court seeking for the following leaves.
my lord,
Yes.
I'm passing the 23 minutes of meeting also, my lord. Because that's my instruction, my lord. Even the petitioner had consented for this.
We'll do one thing. We'll ask the commissioner to file an affidavit. Yes, Your Lordships. The respond number 3, he is directed to file an affidavit as regards the contentions raised by the petitioner in the present matter. Affidavit to be filed on or before 23rd, relist on 24th.
Can it be on the last week? Because I'm not there for 2 days, my lord.
When you are not there?
prior date, Your Lordships.
22nd, my lord.
20th to 26th.
Prior to
Relist on 27th July.
45.
Yes, what about this?
2 days, my lord, we've complied.
You come,
Compliance is done. We've informed the magistrate.
you inform the magistrate.
We've informed the magistrate.
Place the document, give him the.
Can I'll place it.
Charge sheet, my lord, is not included. That crime against that person.
We
is
are
state.
asking him to place the document on record.
Have charge sheet. I can produce it Monday also.
Sure. Sorry, last minute.
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
Sir, PF number.
Four 11/24.
Yes.
It is not in the charge sheet. Only 8 PFs are there. Not in the charge sheet.
There,
Put it on record.
I'll place it.
And AGA submits that compliance with section 106 of the BNSS has been made by the respondent. He seeks for and is granted a week's time to place the same on record. When did we post that? 35? Connect with 30?
22nd, my lords.
22nd.
22nd. Connect with so and so.
Serial number 46. PF Papa.
Yes, Mr. Kumar?
Petitioner.
Want to file your objections? Sir, sure.
This is with regard to a settlement of the death cum retirement benefit. They say that there is a rival
We are
claim.
seeking for certiorari, we'll have to give him an option. The counsel for
Short date.
respondent number 1 and 2 seeks for, once again seeks for, and is granted 2 weeks' time finally to file a statement of objections. If objections are not filed by 7th, it will be taken, 7th August, it will be taken as not filed, matter proceeded with, relist on 12th August.
48. Anil R.
Appearing for petitioners, my lord.
Yes, Shamant. 48.
48, the DHO is present on.
40.
In fact, he's taken charge today, 2 hours ago.
2 hours.
2 hours ago. I tried to connect with him.
Learned AGA submit that respond number 3
Kindly fix the date, my lords.
has taken charge today and as such seeks for a week's time to enable respond number 3 to go through the files and make a submission. Relist on 30th July.
Serial number 55. M. Sudhakar Pai.
Your pardon, my lord, I was not there in the conversation.
Where's Mr. Pai? Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
here, the second appeal has been registered. Now, his grievance is, my lord, though the second appeal memo was sent through register post to the commission, no further action was taken. But I secured instruction from the commission It has been registered, KAC number 7552 of 2026. It's pending consideration of the commission.
Number is, just
KIC.
write it down.
I'll write it down and I'll give it.
Let it be disposed of, my lord.
Will do. Petitioner is before this court seeking for the following leaves. On instructions, Shri Sharad Gowda appearing for counsel appearing for respond number 1, submit that the second appeal has been filed, has been registered by the respond number 1 as so and so, and that the same would be taken up for consideration in accordance with law. The said submission answers the grievance of the petitioner, placing the submission on record, petition stands disposed.
Please, Lordship may direct the first respondent to dispose of the plea.
It's now been registered.
November 2025, my lord.
All courts, everybody has so many matters. They'll know how to do it.
58, Sumati, yes.
Yes, madam.
I have served the copy of statement of objection and a memo, my lords. From this statement of objection also, my lords, entire extent from the map that they have placed on
Statement of
record.
objections.
The ramp
Yes.
is built exactly at the 100 feet space of the petitioner's property, my lords. And this 15.3 meters at annexure R5, my lords, which is shown, is all, that land also belongs to the petitioner.
You know, annexure R5, there will be 15.3 meter outside our ROW, and there will be 3 meter within ROW, which will be left.
The petitioner's prayer was that it should have been between two property instead of obstructing only one person, my lords. We are not denying the public purpose of the construction of this ramp. But then it should have been planned between two properties.
Yes.
At least I should have had access, my lords, to the main road from my property. Direct access. Now what is being given to the petitioner is under the bridge, under the foot over bridge, my lords.
Yes, but what is the 6,000 mm?
That is, my lord, 6 meter, my lord.
6 meters, 6,000
Yes,
mm.
Yes. So, and my lord, I mean, my learned friend is saying that adjoining property, see, this is 6,000 is like in there. So I request your lordship to look at annexure R3, my lord. It's not like a foot over bridge, that staircase and ramp won't just come near one property. There is a series of pillars and series of those, structure. So petitioner's property is getting the best advantage, like that width. And width and height, both ways.
Height is 3.95 meters.
You know, one side it is 6.42 million.
Yes, madam, but
Then it is just slanting. So one side is 6.42. So in
the
middle.
maximum that anything can travel under it is 3.95.
Yes, Mila.
Otherwise, it'll hit your overbridge.
Sorry, Mila.
You want a vehicle of 6.42 meters height to travel in that place. You'll permit that to travel.
That height with
6.42.
6.42. No, there won't be Milord, even just this is like regular truck will be 3 meter, and where there is a light, they also have that flyover.
So your
So
6.42.
certain flyovers, they have 3.75 is the height. Flyover itself. So all vehicles which are light motor vehicles and truck with not very heavy, that on top they keep.
So that's
So
what
that
we are
cannot-
trying to tell you. Don't keep on saying 6.42. Maximum is 3.95 or less than 3.95. Otherwise, it will hit your
No,
overbridge and it will fall down.
I will, because 6 meter. So one car will be slightly lesser than 2 meter. Width. So that vehicle which can, have to pass, 3 meter vehicle, 3 meter width vehicle also can be passed up to at least because in center it will be 5 meter, at least 5 meter. So it is not that it should be 3.95 and less only. So 4.5 meter easily can pass through. And these trucks are, because some flyovers also they are making height of 3.75, my lord. So here, my lord, I mean,
My lords, last hearing, your lordships had directed to file an affidavit mentioning